Sawadee krab. Welcome to KOH SAMUI, Thailand. And this is another review of an hotel here. It's Lamai 99 Inn hotel here in the center of Lamai. So as you can see, they have a swimming pool. They also have a room in the building, and they have a bungalow, and I will show you inside the room and the bungalow at the end of the video. Now let's take a look how it is in the resort here. As you can see, it's really beautiful. Each room they have a balcony. Really nice surrounding. Now let's take a look at the bungalow. First the main building. You also have a room upstairs with a sea view. And this hotel is maybe in the heart of Lamai, the center of Lamai, but it's also on the beach. It's a really beautiful place. I will show you the bungalow inside later. They have three types of room and bungalow. One is the classic room, still have aircon inside, TV, internet, access to the swimming pool, and directly access to the beach. They also have this bungalow, for example this one, we'll show you inside later, which is a little more expensive. As you can see, it's almost fully booked already, especially the bungalow on the beach is fully booked. And as you can see, it's Lamai Inn 99 KOH SAMUI. As you can see, it's on the beach. I will show you the beach in 1 minute. Let's take a look at the room. That is the bungalow. Now let's go back to the beach. And now we show you the room. Let's take a look inside the room. So this is another room, and this room it's 800 baht one night. A night, 800 baht one night. This one it is quite the same size than the bungalow. There is a balcony. How much is it the room per night?
No.
Oh wow, it's a quite big room. Bathroom is quite big. It looks like a small bungalow with aircon. So how much is it the room per night?
Now 1,300 baht.
1,300 baht. Oh, it's the whole bungalow. It's a small bungalow. Okay. As you can see, the room is quite big, quite nice, brand new inside. And now let's go back to the beach. And then I show you the last bungalow on the beach, which is fully booked. And that's why I cannot show you inside. Really nice view from the bungalow. So that's the bungalow on the beach. It's a little bigger, but basically the bungalow you saw before, it's the same. That one is a little bigger, but slightly. So as you could see before, they start the room at 800 baht a night with aircon, swimming pool, access to the beach, TV, internet. They also have a bungalow that I showed you just before, 1,300 baht a night. And they have that bungalow also. The bungalow on the beach. And that bungalow is 1,700 a night. Now you have access to the beach. Let's take a look. It's May 2022. And the bungalow on the beach is already fully booked, which is a good sign. And this is what you get when you come in Lamai 99 Inn. I really like this hotel because of the location. It's a perfect location. You're right on the beach, and then 5 minutes walk, you're in the center of Lamai, near all the nightlife. Subscribe now to see more update on the situation here in KOH SAMUI, the review of the next hotel, and see you tomorrow for the next video.